In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable microphone access in ChatGPT and start using voice mode. If you want to talk to ChatGPT instead of typing, the first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT on your browser or in the app. Make sure you're on the main screen and ready to interact with the assistant. This process is simple, but if microphone access hasn't been enabled yet, voice mode may not work right away. So I'll walk you through exactly what to do. Once ChatGPT is open, look for the microphone icon or the voice option. Depending on your device, this may appear near the message box or in the main chat interface. Tap or click that option to begin. At this point, your browser or device will usually ask for permission to use your microphone. When that prompt appears, allow microphone access. This step is essential because without permission, ChatGPT won't be able to hear your voice. Like if you accidentally blocked the permission earlier, don't worry. You can still fix it by opening your browser settings or your device settings, depending on where you're using ChatGPT. In those settings, find the microphone permissions section. This may be listed under privacy settings, app permissions, or site settings, depending on your platform. Take your time here and make sure the microphone access for ChatGPT or for the browser you're using to access ChatGPT is set to allow. After you've updated the permission, go back to ChatGPT and refresh the page if you're in a browser, or fully close and reopen the app if you're on a mobile device. This helps the new permission take effect properly. If you skip this part, the microphone option might still appear unavailable, even though you already changed the setting. Once ChatGPT has reloaded, test the microphone by opening voice mode and speaking clearly into your device. You don't need to say anything complicated. Just say a short phrase in a normal voice and check whether ChatGPT responds. If it does, that means your microphone is working correctly and voice mode is ready to use. As a quick tip, if the microphone still doesn't respond, make sure no other app is actively using it and confirm that your device's microphone itself is working. But in most cases, following these steps carefully is all you need to get everything up and running.